You're seeing how Leap. Let's learn how to reset all accessibility settings on your Android phone. Open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. At the bottom of the Accessibility settings screen, you will find an option called Downloaded Services or Installed Services. This lists any third-party accessibility apps you have installed. To reset all system accessibility settings to their defaults. You need to go to a different menu from the main settings screen, tap on System, then tap on Reset Options. If you do not see Reset Options, tap on Additional Settings first. On the reset screen, tap on Reset Accessibility Settings. You will see a warning that this will reset all accessibility shortcuts, font sizes, display size, and other related settings back to default. It will not delete your personal data or apps. Tap on Reset Settings to confirm. Your phone will process the reset and return to the previous menu. All custom accessibility settings like magnification, color, correction, and talkback configurations are now reverted. You will need to reconfigure any specific accessibility features you use. If you have a Samsung phone, the path may be Settings, General Management, Reset Accessibility Settings. This is a useful fix if an accessibility feature is malfunctioning. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.